In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Jira version. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to log into your Jira account. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Do you see that icon that looks like a gear? That's the settings icon. Click on it, and it will open a drop-down menu for you. Next, in this drop-down menu, you'll want to find the Apps section. There it is, nice and clear. Go ahead and click on the Apps tab. This will lead you to a different part of the settings where you can manage various applications associated with your Jira instance. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll notice a sidebar menu. From this menu, look for the option that says Manage Apps. Click on that. This is where you'll find a detailed overview of all the applications that you currently have installed in your Jira. Now you're almost there. In the main panel area, you should see the Manage Apps section. Here you'll see a list of all the installed applications. But what we're really interested in is the version number of your Jira system. As you scan through the panel, look closely. The exact system-level version number is typically displayed prominently, often right alongside or near the list of your installed applications. Just take a moment to find it. It's usually presented in a straightforward manner, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Once you've found that version number, congratulations! You now know how to check the version of your Jira setup. So, just to recap, you log into Jira, head to the settings icon at the top right, click on the Apps tab in the drop-down, navigate to Manage Apps, and finally look in the main panel for your Jira version number. If you ever need to troubleshoot issues or check for compatibility with add-ons, knowing your Jira version can be very helpful. I hope this walkthrough has helped you find your way around Jira a bit better. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Jira, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to help you out. Remember, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. This way, you'll be updated with more useful content like